Santosh ma'am. Today we will learn the lesson chapter 4, the giant panda. Children, do you know about pandas? They all belong to a bear family. In China, it is the symbol of peace. It is mostly found in China. They are having large heads. They are white and black in color. A giant panda height is up to 6 feet and it's 115 kgs of weight. They love to eat bamboos. They live in groups. A female panda is called a sow. A male panda is called a bull. The baby panda is called a cub. Their sound is bleat. Nowadays, this animal has become endangered. That means we cannot find this animal nowadays. So, we have to keep these animals safe. So, children, next video we will do the reading. Now, let's see the hard words. Number 1, S-Y-M-B-O-L, symbol. Symbol means pratik. G-I-A-N-T, giant. Giant means vishal. E-N-E-M-I-E-S, enemies. Dushman. B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo. Bas. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Pahad. Okay? Children, you will learn these hard words. There are 8 different types of bears on the planet. Bears live in North America, South America, Europe and Asia. Giant pandas are found in China. There are probably only about 4,000 giant pandas left in the world. What are giant pandas? Giant pandas are black and white Chinese bears. Female pandas are called sows, males are called boars, and baby pandas are called cubs. The panda is a symbol of peace in China. What do pandas look like? Pandas are large and have big heads and heavy bodies. Their ears are round and their tails are short. The Chinese call the panda the giant cat bear because they have cat-like eyes. Pandas have sharp eyes and can see very well. Giant pandas are mainly white. However, they have black patches around the eyes, ears, shoulders, chest, legs and feet. They live in snowy and rocky places. Their black and white coloring helps them to hide from enemies. Pandas have very thick, oily, woolly fur that keeps them warm in the cold and wet mountains. How big are giant pandas? A full-grown panda can be about 6 feet tall and weigh up to 115 kilograms. Females are smaller. While many people think pandas are cuddly and sweet, they can be as dangerous as any other bears. How do pandas move? Pandas are good climbers. Sometimes they take an afternoon nap high up in the trees. They use their short claws to hold onto the bark of trees. Pandas cannot run fast. What do pandas eat? In the wild, pandas only eat bamboo. Pandas have to eat a lot of food to stay healthy. They eat 10 to 20 kilograms of bamboo every day. There are very few bamboo forests left today, so many wild pandas are short of food. Soon we may find that there are no pandas left in the world. In zoos and in other centers where they are taken care of, pandas eat bamboo, rice cereal, carrots, apples and sweet potatoes. The panda's front paws are not like the paws of other animals. They have a thumb. They use their paws to hold their food, bamboo shoots, and leaves. How do pandas live? Giant pandas live for about 35 years. Sometimes they live longer in captivity than in the wild. What sounds do pandas make? Pandas mostly keep silent. They bleat when they communicate in a friendly manner. They bark to scare away an enemy. When they are in pain, they squeal. How are the pandas' enemies? A giant pandas has very few natural enemies. One of them is the snow leopard. It can catch a baby panda that has moved away from its mother. Sometimes a hungry eagle may snatch a baby panda that has been left in a tree. People hunt pandas for their fur. People also cut down the bamboo forests they live in. So, pandas have no place to live and wander into nearby villages in search of food.
Okay, stop the movie. नहीं रन करता था खत्म
एक जगह गलत हुआ हु था ना
कोई बात नहीं इतना बच्चे हमारे पढ़ते कहाँ शास्त्री का है
माइक इन यूज शो कर रहा है
क्या माए सबका भी नहीं है